lovelies, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. In this video, I will show you how to make coconut rice at home. This recipe uses simple ingredients and is very easy to make. Start by rinsing 2 cups of long grain rice thoroughly under a running tap until the water turns clear. This rinsing process helps to remove excess starch from the grains, making it fluffier when cooked. Once the rice is properly rinsed, soak it in water for about 15 minutes. While the rice is being soaked, carefully crack open your coconut with a hammer. Drain out its water into a small bowl. Cut the coconut flesh into smaller pieces just like this. And then transfer it into the blender along with 2 cups of water. Blend this a few times until it turns into a smooth pulp. I would like to blend the coconuts in batches, and I will be using a total of 4.5 cups of water for the whole process. When you're done blending all the coconuts, strain the milk through a fine mesh sieve, or you can use a cheesecloth to do this. Keep pressing out the milk from the cheesecloth until you have this creamy liquid left behind. Once you're sure the milk is completely extracted from the chaff, you can decide to discard the chaff or keep it and then use it to make some coconut cookies. After that, pour the just extracted coconut milk into a medium pot and place it on heat. Combine chopped onions, beef bouillon cubes, shrimp powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, dried thyme, minced garlic, and salt. Give the mixture a little bit of stir and then bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once the coconut milk starts to boil, add the soaked rice into it and stir it to combine nicely. Place a lid on it tightly and bring the mixture to a rolling boil, and then lower the heat and simmer it until most of the liquid has been absorbed by the rice. This should take about 12 minutes. When the liquid has reduced by half, add some diced carrots and green peas on the surface of the rice. Spread them out evenly. Cover the pot again and continue to simmer the coconut rice on low heat for another 8 minutes until the water is fully absorbed. Once you're happy with the outcome of this dish and you're sure the liquid has been absorbed, go ahead and garnish it with some spring onions. After that, fluff the cooked rice with a fork. And you now have this creamy bowl of coconut rice garnished with crunchy vegetables. You can serve this hot as a side dish and top it with roasted chicken. This was how to make coconut rice at home. It is indeed an easy and delicious way to add a unique flavor to your regular white rice. The combination of sweetness and creaminess that comes from the coconut milk offers a tropical twist to the entire dish. I hope you give this coconut rice recipe a try and let me know how you feel about it in the comments. Until next time, have a great day and bye.